Hey everybody, welcome back to 3 Day Weekend. If you haven't been here before, thanks for checking us out. I'm here with the 2020 Pro XP Old Provolone, which is a muddy mess. I should hose this off every once in a while. But I'm going to do something I've never done in the 118 hours or so on it. I have never cleaned out the air filter. I'm going to check that out today and see what we have. If you don't know, the air box is right about here, so I gotta pull the seats out, which is always a treat. These latches are stubborn. I find the driver's one comes out easier if you pull it forward first. That's not so bad. I thought it'd be a lot worse. Some water is definitely splashed in there. And that's about it. There's not even a clamp to hold this on. That's interesting. Ooh, some dust just fell out of it. Oh boy. Oh my. Powdered sugar in there. Let me put a clean rag in the intake. Don't get anything down inside there. Oh boy. Yeah, this is gonna be a little dusty. Let me open the door and put on my mask. There we go. Oh my gosh. The mask fell off. So was it really that dirty? I don't know, you tell me. Let's see what time it is. Yeah, it's on my everything. Yep. So, yes, that was very dirty and past due. So, I'm going to start ordering these for every, I don't know, what do you think? Every 100 hours? Clean it out a little more. Some people argue don't clean it out because now I've upset all that dust and it's going to go in. I mean, I blew it out the best I could. You never know, there could be a little bit in there still. I'm going to put this back in the machine and order a new one. I need to use the machine this week, so kind of stuck. I didn't know how bad it was going to be. I kind of expected it to be bad, but maybe not that bad. It didn't look bad when I opened it up, but yeah, it's rough. I'm going to clean out the housing though before I put that on. Let me do that real quick. Well, that was a dirty mess. It was definitely dirty. Definitely past due. And definitely something I should work into the regular service. But now I know. Definitely want to get that done tonight. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you feel like I earned it, give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to the channel. And we will see you on the next video right here on 3-Day Weekend.